Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about element spreader lock for Henny Penny part number 18225. The timer for Blodgett part number 18225 is a timer control board used in Blodgett ovens. It is designed to replace the original timer board in Blodgett ovens and provide reliable and accurate timing functions. The timer board features a digital display, adjustable time settings, and a manual override switch. It also has an LED indicator light that shows when the timer is active. The timer can be programmed to turn on or off at specific times, allowing users to control their ovens with precision. Additionally, the timer can be used to control other functions. This part fixes the following symptoms. The timer for Blodgett part number 18225 is used to control the temperature of the oven. It can be used to adjust the temperature, set a timer, and turn the oven on and off. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the power to the oven. 2. Remove the front panel of the oven by unscrewing the screws on either side of the panel. 3. Locate the timer and disconnect it from its wiring harness. 4. Install the new timer in place of the old one, making sure to connect it to its wiring harness correctly. 5. Replace the front panel and secure it with screws. 6. Turn on the power to the oven and test that the timer is working properly. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.